Hello, my dear friends. This is Rajesh Mahapatra. I hope all of you are doing well and happiness. In this session, I'll be telling you about the concept of how do you create a new VM using the instance template. I'll show you in the lab so that you can easily understand it and based on your project requirement, you can implement it. Let's get started. Guys, as you can see here, how do you create a new VM using an instance template in Google Cloud Platform? As you can see here, all the steps as I mentioned here, you'll go through it one by one. Then you can easily create a new VM based on your project requirement. I'll show you inside the lab all the step details so that you can easily understand it. Let's switch to the GCP console web portal page. Guys, as you can see here, this is the Compute Engine web portal page. Then guys, you can click on instance template here. As you can see here guys, one of the existing instance template is available here now. The name of the instance template is CLI template new. Then you can select the template here. Then guys, you can click on more action button here, the three button, click on here. Then guys, you click on create VM here. Then you can fill all the information field based on your project requirement. As I mentioned here, the name of the VM as new Linux server. If you want to change the zone and region, then you can select here based on your project requirement guys. Then you can change also boot disk type. If you want to select the Linux server or like the Ubuntu, Fedora, Red Hat Linux, whatever you want guys, you can select here. Then you can click on select. As I select here as the Debian, as you can see here. Then if you want to allow the firewall rule for your Linux server, then select here. Then if you want to select network, you can see here in the advanced option. Then you can select here the desired private network here. Then guys, then click on create button here and wait a couple of seconds to create your new Linux server. Guys, as you can see here, this instance is being staged and will soon being running. Then click on refresh button. As you can see here guys, this instance is running now. The new Linux server is successfully created from your instance template. As you can see here, this is your instance template, CLI template new here. Now guys, you can delete your all the existing instance template and VM due to avoid billing process. But in the real time guys, you never delete anything for your existing instance template because this is your reusable component you can use to create your instance template based on your multiple project requirement. But this is the demo purpose guys. I'll show you how do you delete the instance template here. Then click on delete, then write delete here, or you can copy the delete, then click on delete here. Then click on refresh button here guys and wait a couple of seconds. As you can see here, the instance template is successfully deleted here. Then now switch to the VM instance. As you can see here, this is the new Linux server is running till now guys. Now guys, I hope so you can understand how do you create a new Linux server or multiple Linux server based on your project requirement using your existing instance template. Thank you and have a great day.